So I'm just getting to the nail shop, and the time is now 9:58 a.m. and it's over there. You can't see over top of this truck, but yeah, the time is now 9:58 and they open at 10, so I want it to be nice and early, be like their first customer or whatever, because I have to work at 3 today. And matter of fact, that is my job over there. I work at Lowe's, so yeah, getting my nails done, and I work at a hardware store. So hopefully they let me record some of getting my nails done, at least the application. That's the main part I want to get. But yeah, hopefully they let me record, and hopefully they're open and I don't have to wait for anybody to come open the door. But yeah, let's see what happens. So I'm back from the salon, and it's the next day actually. But yeah, I'm back from the salon, and here is my first set of acrylic nails. And I don't like it. I mean, like, looking at it, it's cute. Like, it looks cute, like, looking at it, but I didn't like the application. Like, I got it done with forms. Like, these are not the nail tips. I got it done with forms, and you know, just put the acrylic on top of that, on top of my natural nail. So I got it done that way, and for the forms were not on very tight. Like, they were loosely on my fingertips, and I don't think they're supposed to have been that loose. And for some reason my fingertips were burning while he was doing not while he was doing the application, but once the acrylic started to dry, my fingertips, I was starting to get a little burning sensation under here, which was very uncomfortable. Like, you know, like I told you guys, I watched Susie from Nail Career Education. Susie never said anything about my fingertips were supposed to be burning. Like, I don't think that's right. But yeah, it started with like I think it started with my left middle finger, then it went to my thumb, and then my right middle finger, and then my pinky started burning. Like, it wasn't all of my fingers, it was just some of them. And I don't know why they were burning, but I'm definitely pretty sure that's not right, but I don't know. Anyway, the other thing is, under the tips, it's flat under here. Like, I don't think I really like that. Like, if my nail is curved, let me show you this way. Like, if my nail is curved, then the underside should be curved too. Like, I don't, like, do I got a pencil? I want to show you guys what I'm trying to say. Okay, like, if my finger is curved, like, if my nail is curved, then I'm guessing the underside of my nail should be curved too. Like, I think that's what it's supposed to look like. Not this. Like, that is not what my nail looks like. Like, that's what it looks like because that's how he did it. But I don't think the underside of my nail is supposed to be straight like that. So yeah, I don't like that. Now I need another piece of paper. So yeah, I don't like that the underside is straight and flat. And I was waiting for him to fix that. Like, I thought he was gonna fix it, but no, he never did. He had this little thin strip of, he had a little thin bit to put on the drill, and he went under, like, near my fingertips with it, but I thought he was going to use it to fix this straightness he got going on here. But No, he just drilled under my fingertips. I don't know why, but that's what he did. But anyway, I thought he was going to fix it, but no, he never did. And I think that's the only two things I didn't like about it. Like, yeah, it was mainly just the application. Like, it looks good. I just didn't like the application. And they're so thick. Like, I never took in consideration how thick they were going to be. Like, I can definitely tell this is not my natural nails. Like, my real nails feel so much different than this. These are so thick. But I mean, I've gotten used to it now that I've been wearing them for a while. But when I first got them, I could totally feel a difference. But yeah, I think that's all I had to say about them. I think my expectations were too high. Like, looking at acrylic videos on YouTube just put my expectations too high. Like, I wasn't really expecting this type of application, but I like it. It'll do for my birthday. And no, I won't be getting acrylics again. I am going back to my natural nails after this, and I don't know how long I'm going to have these on. I'll probably have them on for like a week or two, maybe a week and a half, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my first set of acrylic nails, and I will see you in the next video.